Welcome to the Orchard, one of Burlington's most sought-after communities to live. This family-friendly community offers a true sense of spirit and pride, which is just one of the reasons why it's a top choice for many home buyers. I'm Tanya Kripolja of the Tanya Kripolja team at Keller Williams, proudly presenting this darling freehold townhouse at a terrific starter price point within the Orchard. Come on in and let's take a tour of 2231 Braeswood Lane. This Fernbrook-built freehold townhouse is only joined at one side like a semi-detached home. It offers a bright and welcoming interior with a cozy yet comfortable layout. The main floor has been updated with walnut-toned laminate flooring, shiplap media niche, new light fixtures, and a crisp neutral palette including a recently refreshed Eden kitchen with white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and ample space for family dinners. Step out from the kitchen to a nicely sized and private fully fenced-in backyard with new concrete patio and rear access to the garage. The second level offers 3 tastefully decorated bedrooms, including a beautiful primary suite with ensuite privilege to a stunning all-new bathroom featuring trendy subway tile, walnut vanity, matte black accents, and hexagon floor tile. A finished basement offers the perfect space to work from home with a separate office area, along with a spacious recreation room to watch the game or your favorite movie. The Orchard is perfectly situated in northeast Burlington, bordering Oakville, with beautiful Bronte Creek Provincial Park as its immediate neighbor. It features 5 elementary schools, all within walking distance, numerous parks and trails, and all types of shopping and amenities you could think of, from big box stores, terrific grocery options, specialty boutiques, countless restaurants, and more. Commuters will love being only a few minutes away from Appleby GO Station, as well as nearby Highways 407 and QEW. For more information or to book a personal tour, call or text us 647-293-3785. Follow us on Instagram and share this video with someone you know who would love to make this their new home.